Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. This is Kamrun, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 2, today I am going to take your computer class. So all of you take your computer book. And today we will discuss M.C.Q. That means we will solve some M.C.Q. from chapter 4. And the name of this chapter is the mouse. And all of you take your book and go to page number 25. So let's start our class. Now look, there are some multiple choice questions. We will try to find out the correct answer from these alternatives. So what is the instruction? Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. Number 1. How many buttons are there in a mouse? I know all of you know the answer, and the option is 1, and option B 2 or 3, option C 4. I know all of you know the answer, and if you don't remember the answer, now go to page number 25. Now look, it's written there. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. So our correct answer will be B. That means 2 or 3. Now the number 2. The mouse is normally placed on a dash, and the options are A. Keyboard, B. Motherboard, and C. Mouse pad. So what is the answer? Okay, let's find it out. Now look, it's given there. A mouse is normally placed on a mouse pad. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be option C, mouse pad. Now number 3. Which thing helps us to select an item? We all know the answer, isn't it? Option A, CPU, option B, motherboard, option C, mouse. So what is the answer? Okay, let's find it out. Now look, it's not given directly in your book. So what do you use to select an item? With a mouse click you can select an item. That means we need the mouse to select an item. So our answer will be C. Number 4. The action of pressing and leaving the mouse button is called dash. Option A, clicking, option B, moving, option C, holding. So what is the answer? Yes, I know all of you know the answer. Now look, this is given there. The action of pressing and leaving the mouse button is called clicking. Page number 29. That means points to remember. So the action of pressing and leaving the mouse button is called, the answer is option A, clicking. Now number 5. If you move the mouse to the right, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? Which way, my dear students? Yes, you are correct. And look at the book, page number 28. Move the mouse to the right, the mouse pointer on the monitor screen goes to the right. So if you move the mouse pointer to the right, if you move the mouse to the right, the mouse pointer will go to the right. So our answer will be option B, right. Now number 6. If you move the mouse up, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? Option A, down, option B, up, option C, left. So which way? I know all of you know the answer. So which way? Down, up, or left? Now look, page number 28. Move the mouse to the move the mouse up, the mouse pointer on the monitor screen goes up. So if you move the mouse up, the pointer will go up. So what is the correct answer? Our correct answer is option B, that means up. Number 7. If you move the mouse down, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? Which way? Option A, down. Option B, up. Option C, right. So, which way? I know all of you know the answer. Okay, let's see. Move the mouse down. The mouse pointer on the monitor screen goes down. So, now look, page number 28 is given there. If you move the mouse down, the pointer goes down. So, our correct answer will be option A. That means down. Now, 8. If you move the mouse to the left, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? So, all of you know the answer. Option, and okay, let's find it out. If you can't remember, option A, down. Option B, right. Option C, left. And now look at page number 28. What is written there? Move the mouse to the left. The mouse pointer on the monitor screen goes to the left. So, what will be our correct answer? Our correct answer will be option C, left. Now, number 9. The pointer looks like a dash. Option A, arrow. Option B, mouse. Option C, button. So, how does it look like? Yes, you are right, and still look at your book. Now look, page number 25. The pointer looks like an arrow. That means this arrow. So, what will be our answer? Option A, arrow. Now, number 10. Mouse may have a small wheel called a dash wheel. Option A, small. Option B, scroll. Option C, smart. So, what is the correct answer, my dear students? Yes, I know all of you know the answer. Okay, now look at your book. It's given there in page number on page number 25. It may also have a small wheel called the scroll wheel in the center. So, our correct answer is option B, that means scroll wheel. Now, the last one, number 11. When you move the mouse dash moves on the screen. So, which one moves? Option A, pointer. Option B, button. Option C, mouse pad. I know all of you know the answer. What is it? Okay, now look at your book. Page number 25. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the pointer moves on the monitor screen. So, what does move? Option A, pointer. So, number 1, how many buttons are there in a mouse? Correct answer will be option B, 2 or 3. And number 2, the mouse is normally placed on a dash. And the correct answer is option C, mouse pad. Number 3, which thing helps us to select an item? The correct answer is option C, mouse. And number 4, the action of pressing and leaving the mouse button is called dash. And the correct answer, option A, clicking. Number 5, if you move the mouse to the right, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? Correct answer is option B, right. Now, number 6, if you move the mouse up, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? Option B, up. Number 7, if you move the mouse down, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? Correct answer, option A, down. Number 8, if you move the mouse to the left, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? And the correct answer is option C, left. Number 9, the pointer looks like a dash. Correct answer, option A, arrow. Number 10, mouse may have a small wheel called a dash wheel. Correct answer is option B, scroll. And number 11, when you move the mouse dash moves on the screen. And correct answer, option A, pointer. And my dear students, now look, there is a homework. This is homework number 4, and you will do 5 MCQ as your homework from chapter 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 you will do your homework. So my dear students, you will do your homework, assigned homework in your HW copy, and you will submit all your homeworks homework copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And it's very important to do your homework because your SBA and city marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So do your homework regularly. And that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic, and if you have any problem you can contact me over phone or through messenger. So all of you practice a lot, stay safe and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.